Is that the one? Here, I can help. Is this the one? What do we got? Warm bison. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, that's super yummy. All right, good boy. Good. Which one? That one? Let's see. Let's see what we got. Warm bison again. Good job, buddy. Good job. Super Murph. Super Murph. And number 2, fish kibble. All right, we're going to test this with Odin as well. I've modified a bit because he has had some resource guarding situations in the past, so I'm always very careful not to put myself between him and food, just in a respect way, not in a danger way. So what I did is I pulled all the lids off, okay? So first I'm going to put down, I'll put the warm bison right in the middle. Here's the stinky fish kibble. Here's the stinky beef liver kibble. Maybe we'll put that one there. And then this is that, so this is fish kibble, warm bison, regular kibble. This is the most boring. And then over here is the beef liver, normally his favorite. So let's see, we have the little boys in the other room. Let's see if we can get big boy in here. Come on, Odin. You ready? Come on, handsome. Come find it. Let's see if you guys will get to see big boy today. Come find it. There he is. Find it, find it. That's the beef liver. That's the bison. It's kind of a small container for you, buddy. Sorry. He's working it out. Good job, handsome. That's the fish kibble. And as expected, boring kibble last. He's ignoring the boring kibble. Interesting, huh? And having a look around. That's very good. You did great, big boy. You did great. Oh, boring kibble's gonna get a second chance after all. Good job, handsome. Good job, handsome. Thanks for playing, buddy.